ISO 13485, Quality Standard in Medical Manufacturing. This training introduces you to ISO 13485, the International Quality Standard for Medical Devices. Our goal is to explain how your daily work directly supports patient safety and product quality. Remember, the standard applies to every step in our shop. What is ISO 13485? ISO 13485 is the quality system designed for medical device manufacturing. It ensures that our processes, materials, and records produce safe and reliable products. Compliance is not optional. It is required by customers and regulators. Why it matters to you. The parts you make may be used in life-saving equipment. A single mistake can cause harm to patients or lead to costly recalls. By working carefully and following instructions, you directly protect lives. Risk management. Product risks. Product risks include using the wrong material, machining incorrect dimensions, or leaving burrs or cracks. Each of these defects can make a part unsafe or unusable. Recognizing and preventing these risks is part of your responsibility. Risk management. Process risks. Process risks refer to all risks related to product realization processes. Designing the wrong production flow, not following the documented production process, missing documentation, ineffective maintenance activities, inspection tools with expired calibration, and missing or ineffective training are all process-related risks. Even small oversights regarding compliance with processes can cause major issues. Good documentation practices. Documentation is legal evidence of compliance. Always use a pen, never a pencil or whiteout, and make corrections with a single line, your initials, and the date. If something doesn't apply, mark it as NA. Consistent, clear records protect you and the company. Ethical behavior and anti-bribery. Doing the right thing is part of your job. Never accept gifts, money, or favors to influence your work, and always report pressure to break the rules. Remember, ethical behavior keeps patients safe and protects your reputation too. Cross-contamination awareness. Certain raw materials, such as copper, brass, and lead, are considered high risk in medical manufacturing. Always keep materials labeled, stored, and handled separately. Even a tiny trace of contamination could cause a device to fail. Job traveler and production drawing. Every part must follow the job traveler and the production drawing exactly as written. These documents contain the official instructions for machining and inspection. If anything is unclear or confusing, stop immediately and ask your supervisor before continuing. Control of non-conforming products. When you find a defective or suspect part, follow the golden rules. 1. Stop. 2. Separate. 3. Identify the non-conforming product, and 4. Notify your supervisor. These steps prevent unintended shipments. Every employee is authorized to stop a shipment if a potential nonconformity is suspected, ensuring product quality and compliance are never compromised. Clean and controlled work environment. A clean and controlled environment is part of quality. Chips, oil, or dust can damage medical parts and cause contamination. By keeping your machines and workspace clean, you are directly reducing risk. Traceability. Traceability means we can track every part back to its material, machine, and operator. This is why records, job travelers, inspection reports, and material labels must be filled out accurately. Without traceability, we cannot prove compliance to customers or regulators. Communication and reporting. When something goes wrong, speaking up is the most important action you can take. Never continue if you are unsure, and never assume someone else will notice. Clear communication prevents small issues from becoming big problems. Key takeaways. ISO 13485 protects patients, products, and you as an employee. Risks exist in both products and processes and must always be controlled. Good documentation, ethical behavior, and prevention of contamination are non-negotiable. Remember, if something doesn't look right, stop and ask. Your responsibility. Your responsibility is to follow instructions, keep your area clean, and report problems as soon as they happen. Quality is not the inspector's job alone. It is everyone's duty. Always take ownership of your work. Every shortcut in quality becomes a long road back to trust.